Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So, today's vlog, I am in my home. This is my home. My home's name is Rishmi. Today, I'm going to a temple. It's a famous temple. It's called Aruvikkal temple. This temple has got a waterfall. So, just opposite road. So, we are going to the temple. Okay. Someone came here and captured a reel that it had lots of views. From that day onwards, this temple is very famous. I always come to this temple because it's just near to my near to my home. So I'm very happy that this temple is very famous at the moment, and I don't know, people are coming because of the divine feeling or the waterfall. Some people are coming here is as a tourist destination. Anyway, the temple has got lots of development. Anyway, okay, so this is temple is called Aruvikkal Shivasubramanya Kshetram. It is situated in Vemballi. It's in Kurvalingad, near to Kurvalingad, and there were other temples nearby. It's a Kaligao temple, Kalathoor temple, Narasimha temple in Kola. So if somebody is coming as a pilgrim, like a divine traveling, you can visit the lots of temple. The temple authority has arranged a car park, so you can park lots of cars there. There is no problem, and you can see there are lots of stream. And I have seen some people were swimming in that stream. It is a small pathway. It looks nice. When you're going to the temple, you have to remove your shoes, slippers, whatever. That means footwears. Okay. The what you say, the difference of this temple means it has got a waterfall, so you have to walk into the water and you can clean your feet, then only you are entering the temple. Okay, so let me just go in. You can see there are lots of people taking the reels. There were some.
When you just cross straight. You can go there. Nothing will happen.
Mom, you alright? Wait, I'm coming. Wait. What? Mom? I got it. Mom. I think I got it.
Don't drop my phone, eh?
Can you go? Mom, if I go over there, can you get a photo?
Rohit is very excited to capture the photo.
No.
Let go.
This very big Korea.
Just go back there. Go there. 1 minute. I'm getting one photo.
So I came back after visiting the temple. It's a very different experience because it's a beautiful temple and it's my favorite deities is Shiva and Subramanya, and it's a very scenic beautiful place as well. It's good for your soul and your body. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are passing by Kottayam town, it's in Kottayam district, please come and visit this temple. Okay, you don't need to be it's not a waste of your time. It's very nice for everyone to enjoy. Okay, so if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell and just like, share and comment. Okay, I will come with another videos. Please stay tuned and support me while subscribing my channel. Okay.